Hello, dear friends. Here is how you can be making $1,000 or more on TikTok with ease. Okay, you can see these are campaigns you can do on TikTok to make money while on TikTok. So, if you're in a country where you're not eligible for TikTok monetization, this is an opportunity for you to start any money right on your TikTok with your TikTok app. You don't need another app to do this. You're doing this right on your TikTok. So I'm going to show you in this video how to start making this money on TikTok. But before I go ahead, I would like to ask you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you always be the first to notified each time I upload a new video like this. And don't forget to like. Okay, so let's head over to the main video. Alright guys, so first you need to make sure you have an internet connection, and then you open up your TikTok app just like this. You click at your profile icon and then click at the three lines by the top right corner and tap on Creator Tools. Okay, down here you can see Work with Artists. Tap on Work with Artists. Here are the requirements to work with artists and start making money. You need to be at least 18 years old and have more than 1,000 followers. Okay, then you must pass anti-cheating verification. Anti-cheating verification means that you do not buy views. This anti-cheating verification is for those that used to buy views, followers, and likes on TikTok. Okay, so if you pass all these tests, you are going to see the apply option. I do not have the apply option now, but I've already applied in my two accounts, so I don't know why it's not showing here. Okay, so you just have to click on apply and it's going to take you to the interface. I'm still going to show you the whole thing in my other account. Okay, all right, so once you click on apply, it's going to take you to this interface where you're going to be seeing the sounds you're going to be using to make money while on TikTok. Okay, so let me click on this one. Okay, so here you can see it 10,000 views, you're going to be getting $10. 30K views, you're going to be getting $20. 100K views, $40. 300K views, $100, and 1 million views, you have $300. Okay, so this is how it works. Read up on the description, so you're going to follow the instructions to make your video and you are going to get approved. So once you make your video, you come right here, you're going to see the submit button and then you click on submit. So let me go to another sound because this sound is closed already. You can see closed campaigns. This is the ones available now. This is the only one available now. Okay, so you can see this one. You can see the submit button right here. So once you use the sound, you use the track, you click on use track, the button right here, and then use the track. After using the track, you come right here and click on submit video, and then the video is going to appear here and then you submit. Okay, so you can see this one is different. The top one is going to get $100, top two is going to get $50, top 3 to 4 is going to get $25, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, very simple, and make sure you follow the instructions and then your video is going to be reviewed and approved. Okay, so let me go back to show you how to set up your payments. This is very important. To set up your payment, you just have to swipe to the right. You can see set up payment. You're going to tap on it, follow the instructions, and then set up your payment. Okay, I don't really have time for this. You can see I've already applied in. This is the one I applied for. It's already closed, and I think my video was rejected. So once you did not follow the instruction, your video is going to probably be rejected. Okay, just like this. Okay, so this is it. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my video. Okay, and to set up your payment method, I have a video where I listed about 4 USD bank accounts you can create online with your smartphone. Okay, that is very, very easy to set up. Okay, I'm going to also drop the video in the description for you to go check it out and watch the video, because it's going to help you to set up your payments. Unless you have a PayPal, you can also use your PayPal to set up your payments. um okay, so that is it.